Hello, welcome to the TaxiMate demonstration video. Let us first understand about the product and its purpose. TaxiMate is an online taxi demand prediction service. This means that a user is able to select a date and a place to identify the amount of taxis that will be required in the future. The functions of TaxiMate has been designed to be extremely simple and straightforward. Since we are talking about taxis, the main target audience of this product is going to be taxi drivers. Using TaxiMate, drivers are able to identify the future taxi requirements and plan their taxi cruises accordingly. This will have positive effects on both passengers and drivers by reducing the wait times for both parties. Now that we know about TaxiMate, let's identify its main features. The main feature of TaxiMate is to use the previous taxi demand to forecast the future taxi requirement. Since taxi demand was seen to have a positive relationship with weather, it has also been used in the decision-making process. Through the study of taxi demand with time variation, weather, holidays, and historic taxi data, it has been possible to forecast the future taxi requirements up to 24 hours. Now, let's focus slightly on the technical details of TaxiMate. A dataset which contains 6 months of data from the Manhattan borough of New York City was used for this study. For calculating the forecast, several machine learning algorithms such as XGBoost and linear regression were attempted. But time series forecasting algorithms such as seasonal autoregressive integrated moving average (SARIMA) were able to produce better results. Therefore, it was decided to move forward in this study with time series forecasting. Now, let's see a small demonstration of the TaxiMate front-end application. What you're seeing now is the TaxiMate homepage. Usage instructions are easy and simple. You just select a date from the given range here, and then you select the desired city, and then you press the search button for the calculation to happen. It takes about 10 to 20 seconds for the entire calculation to complete. And then the prediction view will be shown. As you can see, the prediction page shows the predicted demand for 24 hours on the left side. The distribution is also illustrated on a line graph on the right section. A user is also allowed to export these predictions to a PDF document by clicking on the Export to PDF. Going back to the home page, you can see that the loading times are extremely fast. You can also view the About page for some additional information about TaxiMate. This marks the end of the TaxiMate demo. Thank you for watching.